Sam. There goes Sam. Thought he was coming over, but I guess not. He's a goofball. Now these idiots are out chasing a stick. Can't hardly see him out there. Come here. Come here, Darks. Here they come. There they are. They're chasing their stick. There's Sammy again. Sammy's in a fog. He's always in a fog. Here comes the Pudge. What's up, Pudge? What's going on? Just checking out what everybody's doing. They're still out there playing with the stick. Sammy's looking at them all. What a thrilling day, huh? Thrilling day at the household.